everyone, welcome back to Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set wallpapers live on TikTok. Now let's get started. First, open your TikTok apps, and then after this you can click on a profile icon at the bottom, and then click three lines icon at the top. Click on setting and privacy, and click on and then swipe down until you can see this is a wallpaper. Click on it and then click find wallpapers, and then in here you can choose wallpaper you like. Maybe I wanna add this one. Just click on it, click wallpaper that you want to download, and then after this you can click share icon at the bottom, this one, and then in here you can click on set as a wallpaper. Click on it and then click set as wallpaper, and click set a wallpaper, and then you can choose this wallpaper for a home screen or home and lock screen. I wanna add from home and lock screen, so just click on it and go back. Finish. So that's how to set wallpapers live on a TikTok. And then I hope you found this video to be helpful. If you enjoy with the content, please consider like, comment, and subscribe down below. Bye bye.